Let us now discuss methods of preparation of amines. First method is from alkyl halides. We have already studied alkyl halide, amines, aldehydes. From all these compounds we can prepare amines. So CH3Cl treated with ammonia at 373 Kelvin. Loss of HCl, you get methanamine. It is further treated with methyl chloride under similar conditions. Loss of another molecule of HCl, we get CH3 twice NH. This is secondary amine. Again treated with ClCH3 under similar conditions. Loss of HCl, we get tertiary amine. Now this is treated with methyl chloride. We get quaternary ammonium salt. This is tetramethyl ammonium chloride. Then second method we discussed already, alcohols. When alcohols are treated with ammonia, we take alcohol, not amines. Amine have to be prepared during this preparation methods. So we treat alcohols with ammonia, C2H5OH plus ammonia at 773 Kelvin, loss of water, और product बनेगी ethanamine. Then we heat further, we bring this reaction continuously, take another molecule of alcohol, loss of water, you get diethylamine. Again treated with ethyl alcohol, loss of water, we get triethylamine. So ethyl alcohol reacts with ammonia in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3. You can take as a catalyst anhydrous AlCl3. It will help to remove water at a fast pace and will give you tertiary amine. We won't get quaternary salt in case of the alcohol. The reason for that is alcohols do not ionize as alkyl halide ionize, and they can produce the quaternary ammonium salt, but alcohol do not produce OH ions due to their more polar nature and less polarity as compared to alkyl halides. So this was our third method, that is from alcohol. Second method था वो. Third method is from, हमने तीसरा unit किया था aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes and ketones can be changed into amines through reductive amination. सबसे पहले aldehyde और ketone को हम अमोनिया से ट्रीट करते हैं. CH3CHO treated with ammonia, loss of water takes place, we get acetaldehyde. This is reduced with hydrogen nickel. Then we have product CH3, CH2, NH2. This is aminoethane. If we take acetone in this reaction can proceed in a similar way, loss of water again. CH3, CH3, NH. This is subjected to reduction at 470 Kelvin. Product will be CH3, CH, NH2. This is isopropylamine. So aldehydes and ketones, they can be changed into the your amines through reductive amination reaction. So they are heated here. So this was our third method. All of these three reactions, they have already been discussed in alkyl halide, alcohol, and aldehydes and ketones. Then we come to the preparation from amides. That is our fourth method from amides. Amides, as you know, they contain CONH2 group as a functional group. So they are to be reduced, giving it 4 hydrogen. In the presence of lithium aluminum hydride, you will get CH3, CH2, and H2 plus water. So we get amino ethane from ethanamide, then we have benzamide. Benzene ring लगा लें आप मिथाइल की जगह. This is your benzamide. It is reduced phase 4H. Under similar conditions, we get benzylamine plus water. So this is our fourth method from amides we have prepared. So aromatic अगर आपको माइंस बनाने हैं तो उसी तरीके से जैसे यहाँ मिथाइल क्लोराइड हमने लिया है, we can complete this reaction by taking क्लोरोबेंजीन. ये रिएक्शन कर चुके हैं. इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ Cu2O, 2 अमोनिया लेना होता है. 473 Kelvin, 60 atmospheric pressure. You will get the product NH2 plus Cu2 Cl. इसी तरह अगर अल्कोहल से बनाना है तो आप ले सकते हैं फिनॉल. हमने फिनॉल की रिएक्शन विद अमोनिया की हुई है बेटा. heated with anhydrous ZnCl2. वाटर का लॉस होता है इसमें. you will get aniline. इसी तरह एल्डिहाइड कीटोन में आप बेंजल्डिहाइड ले लें, मिथाइल की जगह बेंजीन लगा लें. you will get aniline in the first method and you will get similarly. बस यहीं तक आप एरोमेटिक अमाइंस बना सकते हैं. अमाइड हमने बनाई दिया है. So these are the 4 methods of preparation of amines. Then we come to the 5th method to prepare amines. Fifth method of preparing amine, that is a name reaction Hoffman bromomide reaction. Here alkanamide heated with bromine and alcoholic KOH. अल्कोहल में KOH को घोल लेते हैं और इसको आपने हीट करना है. This CO group will go out and you will get CH3NH2. You will get K2CO3. You will get 2 kBr. वाटर के लिए you can count oxygen. 4 plus 1 5. 3 oxygen already here. We will have 2 water. अगर आपको एरोमेटिक अमाइंस बनाने हैं बेटा, मिथाइल की जगह आपने बेंजीन रिंग ले लेना है और उसको Br2 से ट्रीट करना है. इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ 4 KOH. हीटेड. मिथाइल की जगह बस चेंज आएगा फिनाइल का, बाकी सेम है रिएक्शन. So this is Hoffman bromomide reaction. This is a name reaction, often asked in the exam in the form of the name or in the form of, you can ask that in conversions. Then we have from nitro compounds, production of nitro compounds. जितने भी नाइट्रो कंपाउंड्स हैं, they can be reduced to amines. C2H5NO2. It will take up 6H in the presence of SnCl2 plus HCl. Product will be C2H5NH2. This is what? This is called as aminoethane. Plus along with that you have 2 water molecules. इसी तरह से अगर आप नाइट्रोबेंजीन लेते हैं, 6H उसको देते हैं. In the presence of similar reagent you get aniline plus 2H2O. Then we have from nitroso compound. This is nitrosobenzene reduced with 4 hydrogen. Take Same reagent SnCl2 plus HCl. You will get aniline plus water here. Similarly, we can take nitrosoethane, 4 hydrogen given, heat it, C2H5NH2 plus water. So this is our seventh method for converting the product. SnCl2 की जगह आप SnCl भी SN भी ले सकते हैं अगर आप SnCl2 ना लेना चाहें. वैसे तो वो भी रिएक्शन करेगा पर SN की प्रेजेंस में रिएक्शन तेजी से होगी. That's why we can use this catalyst. Then we have eighth method from cyanides. CH3Cn given 4 hydrogen in the presence of sodium ethyl alcohol or lithium aluminum hydride, we get CH3 CH2 NH2. This is Mendius reaction. We have already done this reaction in the alkyl halide unit, and we can take vinyl cyanide sulfide with 4 hydrogen under similar conditions. You get benzylamine. So in this manner, cyanide they can be changed into the amines through reduction. Then we have conversion of isocyanides into amines. Isocyanides can also be changed into amines. If we have, this is 8th method, 9th method from alkyl or aryl amines, isocyanides. CH3NC given with 2 water, it is boiled. CH3NH2 plus HCOOH. Similarly, if you boil it with फिनाइल आइसोसाइनेट को आप बॉयल करें, H पॉजिटिव थोड़ा एसिड की बूंदें डाल दें, बॉयल करें इसको, you get aniline plus HCOH which can break up to give you water and carbon monoxide. So this is our 9th method from alkyl cyanides or isocyanates. Then we come to the 10th method. Method of preparations are very important in case of the amines because sometimes they are asked in the form of conversions in the examination, or sometimes they are asked by the name reactions. Then we have 10th method from alkyl isocyanate or aryl isocyanate. CH3NCO लीजिए, इसको 2KOH के साथ गर्म कीजिए. You will lose K2CO3. You will get CH3NH2. This is methenamine, CH3NH2. If you take benzene ring in place of methyl, heat it with 2KOH again, heat it, K2CO3 is lost, we get aniline. Then we have 11th method, Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. This is your phthalimide compound. Heated with alcoholic KOH. Loss of water is there. Product is potassium phthalimide. It is treated with ethyl iodide alcohol में घोल के. Ki is lost. We will get N-ethyl phthalimide. This is treated with acidified water. Linkage टूट जाएगी. You get phthalic acid, COOH, COOH. plus C2H5NH2. This is phthalic acid. We have discussed it during nomenclature of carboxylic acid. उस वक्त हमने इसको डिस्कस किया था. Then we can prepare it from Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent के बारे में हम बात कर चुके हैं कि हर तरह का कंपाउंड Grignard reagent से बनाया जा सकता है. CH3MgCl heated with chloramine. You will lose MgCl2 here, beta. Product is CH3NH2. In place of benzene ring, the methyl group, we take benzene ring here, heated with chloramine. MgBrCl will go out, and product will be aniline. So this is from Grignard reagent. Cyanides have been changed. Then we have Curtius rearrangement. Alkyl acid halides treated with sodium. This is 13 reaction. Curtius rearrangement. Name reaction है. You have acetyl chloride treated with sodium azide. NaCl is lost first of all. You get CH3CON3. This is further heated to remove N2. Product will be CH3CON or CH3NCO. So we get methyl isocyanate, and it is heated with 2 NaOH to get methylamine मिलेगा आपको. Na2CO3 is lost. So this is Curtius rearrangement. It is a name reaction asked by the name. Then we can also prepare it from alkyl halide also. अगर हम CH3Cl लेते हैं, heated with sodium azide, heated, NaCl is lost, CH3N3 is obtained. This is now heated, reduced in the presence of hydrogen. CH3NH2 मिलेगा plus N2 will be lost. तो ये हम रिएक्शन वैसे भी चला सकते हैं. नाइट्रोसोमाइंस से भी हमने बना लिया है. So these are all the method of preparation of alkyl halide. Then we'll discuss physical and chemical properties of alkyl halide.